the ATL ecosystem has made a significant step in reaching out to close to 6 million students through the 5,441 ATL schools. With the objective to reach to even more schools, it's going to be a formidable ecosystem. At present, the monthly mentoring themes, the monthly challenges which are posed, and the Tinkerfest, the annual Tinkerfest, keep the energy very high in the ATL schools. The additional initiatives that I would like to bring to the table are some experiments in crowd science. For example, if we can train students in the ATL to measure the air parameters and post them onto an open access database, we could train the students to look at and identify changes in the air parameters across different parts of the country and across seasons. Small equipment to measure air quality, like the volatile organic compounds, are easy to purchase, and in my own lab, we have done some simple experiments. The idea is to involve the students in collecting data so that they will be interested to analyze and interpret this. Another experiment that we are trying in our lab focuses on mosquitoes and infections which are spread by mosquitoes. We have an equipment which collects mosquitoes in an open field. Then we collect them, bring it to the lab, and using a simple lens or a simple microscope, we identify what genera it belongs to using a simple identification key. It doesn't require a lot of skills. In Chennai, in the urban areas, the most common mosquito is the Culex. Aedes and Anopheles make only seasonal presence. But identifying and updating a database can give us interesting clues onto the epidemics which are likely to come up by identifying which mosquitoes are making their presence felt. Another possibility would be to look at the microorganisms which are present around us in the environment, collecting samples from the water or soil around us and doing experiments and identifying what it is. I don't think it is possible to do these experiments. We need to identify experiments which are straightforward, simple, and doesn't require a lot of skills. But it's important again to engage the students in collecting data, and I believe that will make them more engaged in the data analysis. So, science is something that I would like to bring in into the ATL ecosystem.